Hello students. So let's start with the second chapter of your chemistry syllabus for term 1, that is acid, bases and salts. Okay. Now ये chapter बहुत simple है and बहुत interesting भी है और उतना ही important भी है. कुछ चीजें इस chapter की बहुत important है जो कि 101% term 1 syllabus में आने के chances है. Okay. So over here let's start सबसे पहले about talking with respect to what is an acid, what is a base, and then we'll move towards salt. तो अगर हम लोग बात करें acids के बारे में, तो when you are talking about acids, what can we say? First point, what we can say, the physical properties about the acid is that acids are sour to taste. Okay. Then second point is that acid turns blue litmus to red litmus. Okay. ये दो पॉइंट्स तुम्हें याद रखने हैं, that acids are sour to taste and secondly they will turn blue litmus into red litmus paper. Similarly, बेस के क्या क्या पॉइंट्स है जो आपको याद रखने हैं? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, हम लोग फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. तो बेस इज ऑब्वियसली एसिड्स आर sour to taste, the base will be bitter to taste. Okay, these are bitter to taste and they would turn red litmus into blue litmus paper. So this would be red to blue. Okay, so these are the two basic properties about acids and bases that you need to remember. Okay, yep, physical properties I could say. अब आगे बात करते हैं about the chemical properties, acid की chemical properties and bases की chemical property. So if you talk about chemical properties of acids, okay, that is basically the reactions of acids. Okay, then all these reactions बच्चे हमने already पढ़ी हुई है first chapter में, या rather I would say कुछ reactions इसमें से हम लोग ने already पढ़ी हुई है. So reactions of acid अगर देखें तो let's start with the very first reaction, that is acid plus metal. Okay, example देख लेते हैं and साथ ही साथ analogy भी लिख लेंगे. So the first reaction that we will be talking about is acid when reacted with a metal. What you will get? You will simply get salt and H2 gas. Okay, let's take an example, a very simple one. Acid के लिए हम लोग ले लेते हैं HCl plus metal के लिए ले लेते हैं zinc. This gives you ZnCl2 plus H2 gas will be liberated. अच्छा, अब इस रिएक्शन में इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है जो तुम याद रख सकते हो एंड रादर तुम्हें पता भी होनी चाहिए, एक जनरल केमिकल अवेयरनेस के हिसाब से तुम्हें ये पता भी होना चाहिए कि H2 is a gas that will burn with a pop sound. So whenever a question says that yes, you are getting a gas which burns with a pop sound, that means they're talking about a gas which is H2. Okay, so this is the first reaction about acids and bases. Okay, let's talk about the second reaction. तो अगर हम लोग second reaction देखते हैं acids का ही, then the second reaction is acid plus metal oxide this gives you what? And then acid plus metal oxides, this will give you salt, and along with this it will give you water. Okay, एक example देख लेते हैं. Acid, once again let's take HCl simplest plus metal oxide, चलो ZnO ले लेते हैं. Zinc oxide gives you what? Then it will give you a salt which is ZnCl2 and along with this it will give you water. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे देखो एक important सी चीज जो तुम देख पाते हो through the reaction, through the analysis is कि first chapter we learned that an acid when reacted with base gives you salt and water and this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. यहाँ पे भी salt मिल रहा है, water मिल रहा है, आपने acid लिया, मतलब definitely metal oxides must be what? Then metal oxides must be basic in nature, तभी तो आपको salt and water मिल रहा है ना. So acid plus a basic substance gives you salt and water. So therefore, what we can comment from this reaction is, let me just draw it once again. What we can comment from this reaction or what we can see through the data, हम लोग ये देख पाते हैं कि metal oxides are basic in nature. ओके अच्छा, अब ना थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस यूज करके मुझे बता देना कि अगर मेटल ऑक्साइड्स बेसिक है तो नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स क्या रहेंगे? डेफिनेटली नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स वुड बी एसिडिक इन नेचर। उसके लिए भी रिएक्शन देखेंगे हम लोग, ऐसा नहीं कि रिएक्शन नहीं देखेंगे, बट देन with a common logic we can say agar metal oxides are basic, then non metal oxides would be acidic. ठीक है, let's talk about the third reaction of an acid over here. Okay, so let's see the third reaction. If you take acid plus if you take carbonate or you take bicarbonate. Okay, तो अगर आप एक एसिड लेते हो एंड उसको ट्रीट करते हो विद अ मेटल कार्बोनेट और अ मेटल बाइकार्बोनेट, what you are going to get, you are going to get salt plus along with it you will get water and plus with it you will get CO2 that would be liberated. Okay, अच्छा अब ना एक एग्जांपल भी देखते हैं कार्बोनेट एंड बाइकार्बोनेट दोनों का. If you talk about an example of an acid plus carbonate, let's say Na2CO3. Okay, so you have, चलो पहले acid लिख देते हैं. So you have 2HCl. I'm just writing down the balanced reaction directly. 2HCl plus Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, gives you, क्या देगा ये? This will give you 2 NaCl. Along with this, it will give you CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Similarly, if you talk about, ये तो कार्बोनेट हो गया, अगर बाइकार्बोनेट की बात करते हो तो लेट्स टेक HCl once again, एसिड HCl ही रखेंगे, प्लस सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट ले लेंगे, NaHCO3 gives you what? And then this gives you NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O, है ना? सो देखो दोनों जगह आपको सॉल्ट मिल रहा है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिल रहा है एंड वाटर मिल रहा है. अच्छा अब ना एग्जामिनर देखो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे कनिंगनेस क्या दिखाएगा, थोड़ा सा स्मार्टनेस एग्जामिनर क्या दिखेगा. ओके, एग्जामिनर will write down CO2 plus H2O. He can write it as simply H2CO3. And what is H2CO3 referred as? H2CO3 is referred as carbonic acid. Okay, so he might tell you, let's say एक true or false statement आ गया that a metal sorry, that a metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate when reacted with an acid gives you salt plus carbonic acid. So is this statement right? Then definitely this statement is right. आप false गलती से लिख के मत आना वहाँ पे. This statement will be a true statement. ठीक है बच्चे? Let's go with the next reaction of an acid base. Okay, next reaction for the chapter acid base is the fourth reaction, that is acid plus base. क्या मिलेगा? काफी simple reaction. Acid plus base gives you salt and water. Definitely. अच्छा, this reaction is called as what? This reaction itself is called as न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. एग्जाम्पल भी बहुत सिंपल है, हम सबको आता है. एग्जाम्पल HCl plus NaOH gives you NaCl plus H2O. Okay, can I say this example is an example for which reaction? So this example is an example for neutralization reaction, and along with this it can also be an example for a double displacement reaction. ना double displacement reaction जब हम लोग ने किया था first chapter में, in that we have already discussed this example. So this is an example for a double displacement reaction, or this is an example for a neutralization reaction. What is a neutralization reaction? A simple reaction between an acid and a base is called as a neutralization reaction. ठीक है? So with this आपके basic chemical properties of acids complete हो गया. अब इसमें से ही कुछ नई चीजें सीखते हैं. तुम्हें याद है मैंने आपको जस्ट थोड़ी देर पहले एक चीज सिखाई थी, दैट मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर बेसिक इन नेचर, है ना? एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट वी विल प्रूव दैट नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. तो लेट्स प्रूव दैट. ओके, तो अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आता है दैट अ सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन, ऑब्वियसली टर्म 1 में नहीं आएगा, बट देन लेट्स ट्राई टू hypothesize or let's try to assume कि आपको एक subjective question आ गया saying prove that non-metal oxides are acidic. Okay, so if you got to prove that they are acidic, what exactly would be your reaction? Let's try to understand that. ठीक है, अच्छा नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड कौन सा ले यार? नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड चलो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले लेते हैं. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड, है ना? सो देखो मैं क्या रिएक्शन कर रहा हूँ. कैन आई से CO2 प्लस CaOH ट्वाइस gives, देखो अभी ध्यान से क्या मिलेगा. CO2 plus CaOH twice, this gives me CaCO3 and along with this it gives me H2O. अच्छा अब देखना क्या यहाँ पे मुझे सबसे पहले सॉल्ट मिल रहा है. जी हाँ बिल्कुल, यस आई एम गेटिंग अ सॉल्ट, सॉरी आई एम गेटिंग अ सॉल्ट. along with this क्या मुझे वाटर मिल रहा है? yes absolutely I am getting water also. And CaOH twice, is it a base? Yeah, definitely this is a base. OH तो है उसमें, तो बेस तो है ये. अच्छा मतलब सर एक कंपाउंड X जिसको मैंने बेस के साथ रिएक्ट किया, मुझे सॉल्ट एंड वाटर मिला, मतलब डेफिनेटली CO2 must be what? So definitely CO2 must be an acid or it should be acidic in nature. So therefore देखो आपने प्रूव कर लिया that CO2 which was a non-metal oxide is acidic in nature. कैसे? बिकॉज सर अगर हम लोग इसको बेस के साथ ट्रीट करते हैं, you will get salt and water along with it. Along with this you have proved that yes, CO2 is what? CO2 is acidic and CO2 is definitely a non-metal oxide, so non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. प्रूव हो गया, no worries with this. अब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज है, इसके बारे में देखते हैं. अच्छा सबसे पहले ना मुझे बताओ, CaOH twice, just try to understand and just try to give the answer as you watch the video. Okay, so यार एक चीज देखो, COH twice is referred as what? So COH twice is referred as lime water. Okay, तो बच्चे just understand करना, देखो CO2 when it is dissolved with lime water, will you get CaCO3? जी हाँ बिल्कुल. अच्छा CaCO3 is white insoluble powder. Okay, it is white in color and it is insoluble. So that means, can I say that when CO2 is bubbled through CaOH twice solution, you will get a white milky solution of CaCO3? Absolutely yes. And therefore, हम ये देखते भी है ना that CO2 when it is bubbled through lime water, your lime water turns milky. ये लेकिन sir, what will happen if excess of carbon dioxide is added? तो वो भी देखते हैं. मतलब अगर मैं यही रिएक्शन कंटिन्यू करूं तो CaCO3, listen carefully बच्चे, CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. अगर मैंने excess of carbon dioxide यूज किया, this CO2 is in excess. Okay, excess मतलब बहुत ज्यादा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम लोग ने इसमें डाल दिया. Then what you will get? देखते हैं. Okay, so over here you will get CaHCO3 the whole twice, and this is soluble in water. This substance, that is calcium bicarbonate, is soluble in water. तो यार आप मुझे एक चीज बताओ, पहले मेरे पास जो पानी था उसमें एक insoluble compound form हुआ and therefore the water turned out to be white insoluble or containing white insoluble salt. It turned out to be milky. But then later on, when more CO2 was added, it turned out to form a soluble compound. And therefore, what happened? Therefore, the white insoluble substance got converted into a soluble substance. Therefore, your milkiness of water has disappeared. Okay, तो यहाँ पे एक चीज क्या याद रखेंगे? So CO2 plus lime water gives you, let me draw an arrow over here. CO2 plus lime water gives you a milky solution and यही milky solution, if it is treated with excess of carbon dioxide, it again turns into colorless. Okay, तो इसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आ सकता है. What would happen if CO2 is bubbled into lime water? The lime water will turn milky. But what if excess of carbon dioxide is bubbled into the lime water? Then it will turn colorless. तो इसके बारे में ध्यान रखना. Okay, so over here बच्चों देखो हम लोग ने अभी तक क्या क्या प्रूव किया. We have just said that yes, acids are sour to taste. They would turn blue litmus to red. Bases are bitter to taste. They would turn red litmus to blue. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज देखी, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स देखी. उसमें एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो हम लोग ने नोटिस की was that metal oxides are basic in nature. Then हमने सोचा if metal oxides are basic in nature, definitely non-metal oxides should be acidic in nature, and yes, we have proved it over here that your non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, है ना? So with this, we'll stop over here for this session. Into next session, we'll discuss about something called as amphoteric oxides. We'll discuss about the reactions of bases, and finally, we'll wind up with the salt part. Okay? Till then, students, have a good day and happy learning.